Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. Mariam. I'm your math teacher, and today we're going to be learning about polynomials. By the end of this class, I'm expecting all of you to know what a polynomial is, to be able to identify variables, constant, and exponent, as you can see from the board, to know what types of polynomials are and the degree of polynomials. Now, to begin with, we are going to learn what is polynomials. A polynomial is an expression in mathematics consisting of variables, constants, and exponents. They are combined using only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, based on the number of terms that are present in the expression. And now, let's use the example below to be able to bring out the definition we are trying to make now. Below you see three examples. We have x squared minus 5x plus 11. Down, they said a polynomial is a mathematical expression. Whoever sees this already know that it is a mathematical expression. Now we have a variable there. The x in this expression is what we call a variable. The constant is this 5, the number that is attached to this variable. We have 5 in this expression, we have 11. They are constant, they don't change. And then we have exponent, which is x squared. For example 2, the same thing. We have variables, we have an exponent, and there is a constant. So this is what a polynomial is. More than 2 or 3 terms of mathematics that are joined together with mathematical operations of either addition, subtraction, or both. Now, from the blue here, you can see that the constant has been extracted from these equations to show you what a constant is. We have minus 5 from the first equation. We have 1. We have 6. We have 11. And then we have 17 from all the expression. Now for the variables, the letters that are attached to these expressions, those letters, this x, the y, and the a and b are what we call variables. The exponent is the power of the x in first equation and power of a in the third equation. Power of y in the second equation. Those are what we call exponents. Like for example here, I said the 4 in a and the 2 in y. The same thing with the 2 in x for the first equation. These are what constant, variable, and exponent is. So whenever you have a mathematical expression that have a constant, variable, exponent joined together with an arithmetic operation, we call it polynomials. Now, let me give you an example for you to work on. Sorry about that. My phone is acting up. Sorry. Now, activity 1. There is 3 examples for you there. You have to check through the expressions and write down your constants, variable, and exponents. Remember from the example I just gave you now what a constant is, what a variable is, and what exponents are. So you're going to do that. Now we move to types of polynomial with examples. We're going to use these examples to show you the types of polynomials we have. We have 3. We have 3 types of polynomial. We have the monomial, we have the binomial, and we have trinomial. If you can see, the examples are given there. Mono means 1, just consists of a single term, while the binomial is consisting of 2 terms joined together, and the trinomial, 3 terms that are joined together, as you can see from the board. Now, the degree of polynomial is defined as the highest degree of a monomial within a polynomial. I'm just going to go using the example to explain what a degree of polynomial is. Now, for this example here, we have xy squared plus xy minus 12. If you look at it very well, the y that y that is having an exponent. That is what you use to determine the degree of your polynomial. You check the highest degree. The highest exponent in that expression is what you use to determine the degree of the polynomial. So for this, y square is the one having the highest. Every other one is having power of 1 as an exponent except y square. So the degree of this polynomial will be called degree 2. For example number 2, we have a raised to power 4 plus 17ab plus 6. The highest exponent there is a raised to power 4. A raised to power 4. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. So this is how you determine the degree of a polynomial. Activity 2. You are going to use these 3 examples to write down the degree of these expressions above. You check, we have 3x squared minus 3x raised to power 3, minus 5x plus 3, 3x plus 5y squared minus 3, 5x squared plus 2y. You determine what the degree of these expressions are. Now you do this brain teaser so that to keep you busy. You know, mathematics requires constant practice. So I don't leave you to rest in my class. You have to do lots of activities and a lot of brain teaser. Thank you for watching. See you next time in my class. Bye.